Good morning, everyone. Today we're at Universal Studios Hollywood for the kickoff of their brand new mega movie summer. It runs through August 10th, celebrating 40 years of Back to the Future, 50 years of Jaws, the new Jurassic World Rebirth, How to Train Your Dragon, Wicked, Harry Potter, and a lot more. Let's head on in. In celebration of Jaws' 50th anniversary, Hollywood and Dine has been transformed into the Amity Island Cafe with a fully themed menu, including, look at that, the shark fin funnel cake, crab cake, lobster roll, and the Amity Beach Lifesaver Donut. We'll try the food later when it opens. There are new character meet and greets, including the Aqualops down on the lower lot. We'll see if we can see it today. Here in Universal Plaza, you can meet Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon. Just opened Friday the 13th this weekend. Get your picture. This week, Universal unveiled the ride vehicles for Hollywood Drift, the coaster opening next year, and it looks amazing. Take a look at that, and we'll go look at construction on the track. And I believe one of the cars has been on the track, too, so we'll see if it's out today. Opening date, we do not know, but they're saying 2026. But Universal moves fast, and they've done a lot of work, so I wouldn't be surprised if it's early 2026. The sheer scope of this project is just amazing. And look, there's like a test vehicle out there. That is so cool. I don't know. As we head down to the studio tour to check out Jaws, Mega Movie Summer is included in general admission. It is not a separately ticketed event. So all the meet and greets, the characters, the photo ops, everything is included. There are also character and creature meet and greets in Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and I think we saw a few of those back during Fan Fest night. So we'll check those out today. And at night, Hogwarts Always, one of the new Hogwarts Lights projection shows, and that is also from Fan Fest nights, I believe. So we'll edit in some footage from that.
Whoa, what's going on? No, don't take pictures of the swimming shark. We don't want that on any social media. You hear me? None. Wait a second, stand there. What, George? Get out of there, George. Hurry, fast. Get out. No, George, no. I can't believe you. That bigger boat. We've been asking since 1975, nothing. Yeah, we're leaving. Let's no hurry. Faster. Why are we stopping? Oh no, we're stuck.
Alive today. I survived millions of years of evolution without change, without passion.
$40,000 from her boss. She came to this hotel, had 12 rooms, 12 vacancies. He knows I have a very close relationship with his mother. She lives here in the Psycho House.
And don't forget about the photo op from Back to the Future here at the end of the studio tour as you unload. Back to the Future 40 years this year, celebrating 1985. The Back to the Future menu at Mel's is still here from Fan Fest nights. The Flux Capacitor Melt, the Pot Pie, the Time Machine Pastrami Melt, the Classic Burger, and that shake was absolutely delicious. We had it a few times during Fan Fest nights. Time Traveler Milkshake and that Out of Time Cookie. So this is at Mel's. Here at the City Snack Cart, that's what this is called, right? They have How to Train Your Dragon, popcorn buckets, and cookies, plus Jaws souvenir refill cups. From the Amity Cafe, celebrating 50 years of Jaws, we have the parfait. We have a lobster roll. We have a fish, chips, and chicken strip basket. And the open water, which is a mocktail. From the Amity Cafe, we've got the Jaws funnel cake. So we got a shark here, you think?
Well, it's the shark.
The shark, you think?
Over here might be trying
Okay.
to say it's not, but I can assure you everything is safe, everything is good.
Okay.
The beaches will remain closed until further notice.
Okay, that's a
for
good
the
thing.
Safety of the people.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
That's right. Go ahead, touch the teeth. You know, we filed them down a bit. They won't cut you. How you doing today, sir?
Good, how are you?
What's
Is
your
it
name, young man?
Randy?
Randy.
Hey, nice to meet
Oh,
you. Nice
Randy
to meet
got a
you.
nice good handshake.
Thank you. You think this is the shark?
No, I don't think.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
No, that's what...
You know how I know? I'll tell you how I
do you
know.
know?
Like looking from the dorsal
Uh-huh.
to the tail.
Okay.
That's how you know.
So you think it's still out there?
Oh, it's absolutely still out there. We should close the beaches.
I
They're
think
making
so.
Signs right now. I'll tell you. This one, 22 and a half at the most. One we're looking for, 25.
25.
3 tons, porker. Right. I'll bring him in.
Yeah.
I'll bring him in.
All right, well...
I'll find him for 3, but I'll catch him and kill him for 10.
Dolores! Dolores, you know your name? Yes, you do.
She was rescued on the Isle Saint Hubert,
Uh-huh.
and Isabella Delgado gave her name Dolores.
Dolores. So inside the Jurassic World store, you can pick up this free Compy Chaos field guide with facts on the dinosaurs and also a scavenger hunt. You look for little mini dinosaurs here. In and around Jurassic World, then you turn it back in and you get a button. We won't show you where they're all at, but I see an L right there. I think I've already figured it out, but there is an R right there. And there is another one, but there's no letter. So when you complete the scavenger hunt, find all the letters, unscramble it, figure out the phrase, you get a free button, pick up the map, and redeem it once complete at the Jurassic World Outfitter store. Really cool. On Jurassic World in the summer, you always get more wet than other times of the year, but for Mega Movie Summer, they have added even more water cannons, and I am soaked, but it feels good. It's hot today. And no, I did not comb my hair. It's a good thing I didn't, or the hair gel would be in my eye.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you, Doc.
Welcome right this way.
We got Einstein.
Turn around.
Hey, Einstein. Oh,
That's right. You wanted to say
there you
hello.
go. Hey, Einstein.
Now, I noticed you have a very interesting pin there on your shirt.
Oh
Tell
yes,
us about this.
I went way back in time to the Jurassic World.
Fellow time. Wonderful.
Way back in time, and there was a lot of water and dinosaurs. It was, yeah.
So how did you acquire a pin like this?
You have to go on a scavenger hunt. You have to look for little dinosaurs around Jurassic World.
Goodness, you found them all.
I found them all, yes.
Wonderful. And so once you find,
You get a pin, yes, a button.
congratulations. Wonderful.
I think you need to take Einstein to do that.
I think so. How's that
Einstein?
Sound? Sounds fun. Yes.
Can you find all the dinosaurs?
Very good.
He's like, yeah, maybe. And once the sun goes down, as I mentioned earlier, make sure you check out Hogwarts Always right here on the Hogwarts Castle. It is a projection show with a couple fireworks. It's about 8-9 minutes long. Make sure you check it out each night of Mega Movie Summer. From the new cart that they just redid here in the Wizarding World, we have a meat pie. Hawkman. I gotta get it right.
India in the far east.
Wow.
Yes, that's why until this one foisted itself upon me unexpectedly,
Really?
I was unaware we had any on the ground.
I've never seen one.
Oh yes, well she was hiding away in some of my supplies. Yes, I never borrow a teapot from Professor Hadley.
Okay, no.
Yes, you never know what you might get.
That's so cool.
She's
Thank
got
you.
enough tricks, you know.
there are some new magical creatures out in the Wizarding World, and that Hogwarts Always show actually starts June 28th. It is not playing right now, June 28th through August 10th. So we'll edit in about a minute of that show from FanFest night. Should be pretty similar, if not the same. So we'll go ahead and edit that in now.
While we may come from different places and speak in different tongues, but only a touch of magic, our hearts beat as one. Hogwarts, always.
There is also a Wicked photo op, but we did not see the characters out today. That is it from Mega Movies Summer Opening Weekends. Runs through October 10th. And that show on Hogwarts Castle, Hogwarts Always, starts June 28th through August 10th. Tonight there will be a DJ on the stage, music, all kinds of lights. More fun after dark. We will be back throughout the summer to bring you more coverage from here at Universal Studios Hollywood. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And not subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. Follow us on social media, and then subscribe to the channel and watch this week. We'll have a full update on all the Horror Nights houses that have been announced and a construction update that we took while we were here in the park today that we did not include in this video. See you soon. Bye.